ये है अनसेट फीलिंग विद शाइंकी के क्लिप्स, जहां आपको बड़े बड़े पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड छोटा छोटा करके दिखाएंगे। तो देखते रहिए और बहुत कुछ सीखते रहिए। When we talk about orgasms, women orgasms or men orgasms, okay, what is it exactly? Because sometimes, as you mentioned, we had this topic earlier when we were talking about it, ki sometimes men ejaculate earlier, but we have to also think about
The women.
right? So what is orgasm, and does orgasm basically means ejaculating?
So it's not, see, orgasm for everyone is very different, right? Like for men, of course, matlab ejaculate hua and then it's like done. For women, right? Like matlab they won't know, right? Matlab the men won't know कि whether उन्होंने actually orgasm किया. The only way is you communicate with them कि हुआ या नहीं हुआ.
Okay.
But the worst part is that the men don't ask. When they are done, it's done. Because after that, like, what's the point? So अगर ऐसा है, then first focus on her and then do yours. So maybe
I get
that could solve your problem. But then yeah, women should take a stand. अगर उसके पहले भी they need to do a lot of self love and understand कि what's making them feel good, what's, अगर ये explore नहीं करोगे ना, you're not going to be able to express your partner कि मेरे को इस चीज़ से orgasm होता है, because orgasm multiple होता है. And a very straight thing, everyone should know that orgasm just can't happen via penetrative sex. If you think that ये going करके आपको मिलने वाला है, most of the women orgasm via clitoris. So they should know that. And women should also know that, in fact, explore their body, explore products, do, but know what you like before, even like, so that you can easily communicate. And ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर एक का ऑर्गेज़म, अगर आप किसी के साथ बात भी शेयर करते हो उसके साथ ऐसे होता है. लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वुमेन हु थिंक दैट स्क्वर्टिंग टाइप्स, लाइक देयर
I know.
नीड्स टू बी अ फ्लूइड व्हिच कम्स आउट. जो आपको पॉर्न में दिखाते हैं, अंदर ना, लाइक आई सॉ अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री वेयर दे पुट वाटर पैकेट्स इनसाइड टू शो दैट. सो बिकॉज वुमेन के माइंड में फिर वो ऐसा आता है, मेरे साथ तो ऐसा नहीं होता, पर वैसा होता भी नहीं है. लाइक मैं अभी आपको बोल रही हूँ, उतना लाइक फाउंटेन जैसा तो कुछ आता नहीं है.
Correct.
देयर आर फ्यू वुमेन जैसे there's some sort of liquid like comes out, but not like a fountain.
Right.
But not for everyone, the percentage is very less.
Right.
There are different types of orgasm. Few women get it via their nipples, few women get it via penetrative sex. वो few है,
Correct.
but most of them get it via clitoris, which they should know
No.
as per the data and all of that. But yeah, कुछ set of rules नहीं है कि ये करके ही आता है. The set of rules is what you decide. Your rules, your body. You know what you like and communicate it with
Right.
them.
So the one thing you have to take from here is ki first, communication is very important.
Very.
Second is, just because you had a kind of orgasm with the other person, you cannot expect the same with
Of course.
everyone else.
Yeah.
Right. So don't compare yourself कि उसको ऐसा मिलता है तो मेरे को भी वैसा ही मिलना चाहिए.
Expectation के साथ कभी कुछ नहीं होने
कुछ
वाला
नहीं.
है. And one more important thing is, like, to achieve orgasm, you need to be very, like, ज़्यादा mind work भी है, right? More than
Yes.
all your things, you need to have those like crazy thoughts going on, naughty feelings, पूरा वैसे होना चाहिए to achieve that as well. I think अगर mind work नहीं है, आप कुछ और सोचे, the act is happening, but आपका mind कहीं और है.
Right.
You're not gonna have the.
Exactly. I think what you mean to say is, again, if you're not feeling that thing with the
Yeah,
person,
yeah.
we will not get into the state of orgasm.
Correct.
But if you have literally good feelings about the person, you really want that
You're
person,
into it, yeah.
that is when it will happen.
या एंड वो माइंड में होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए.
बाकी स्ट्रेस लेके बैठोगे, नहीं हो रहा, ये नहीं हो रहा, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. और कुछ चल रहा है दिमाग में, तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. ऐसे क्लिप्स देखने के लिए हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, और इसी का फुल वर्जन आपको अगर देखना है, फुल पॉडकास्ट देखना है, तो हमारे मेन चैनल पे जाके उसको देख सकते हैं.